What's poppin', B-Town Outdoors? We're about to go to a private pond and see if we can catch anything. Hopefully we can, because the fucking temperature dropped like, oh, I want to guess like 20 degrees, because yesterday, yeah, 20 degrees, because yesterday was 70. Today it's like 50 something, so hopefully we'll catch something. See y'all there. We are here. Sorry if it's windy. You can't hear me, but I'll try to speak up. But yeah. There you go. There you go. Number one for the day. Nice bass. Oh yeah. There we go. Good old Senko. See if there's any basses over here. Old blue wingers. Oh, we got here. Oh, that's a nice one. There you go. Oh, oh, fat mama, Jesus. Look at the stomach on her. Holy cow. Big old bass eye. Let's crank bait. Tie it on and see how this will work out. Got hit. New spot. See if I can catch any bass out of this little timber hole. Hopefully I can. Last spot was windier and crap, but at least I have a little cover from the wind, because every cast I made, it was freaking going wrong direction and shit. But yeah, see if we can catch some bass. Let's go. Alrighty, let's see if we can catch some fish. Not like that. Got one. Little guy. Oh yeah, little guy. Come here with us. Surgery. Oh, hope the guy lives. It's alright. There he goes. He's alive. Blood all over my hands though. Freaking swallowed that whole. Tell you what. I'm doing right here, I'm just doing a weightless Texas rig, just letting it sink to the bottom and twitching it up, let it slowly sink again. That's what I've been catching them on most this year. Just weightless Texas rig, the Senko. Hope this weather coming up next week doesn't knock these turkeys off. So I'm going turkey hunting next week, and I got it. Oh man, had another freaking bite. Move a little. See if there's a bass out here. Oh, right there. There you go. Oh, little ass one. Oh, that's all right. Oh, we got a stick. See bass jumping over there. Try to wing it out there and see if we can catch one. Let's see if we can bring this out here before we pick it up. Let's see now. See if we can catch one. Oh, we got one, I think. Yep, we got a fish. What did I say? There you go. These bass are nice and healthy. What I like about this spot. Well, worked this whole pond, and an hour later, oh man, bite's been rough. I mean, It's all right though. I think it's the pressure change coming in this cold front. Yesterday it was 70, like I said earlier in this video, and it's like 50 something right now. Go ahead and check, and yeah, 52 degrees, man. 25 mile per hour wind. But thank y'all for watching, and I'm gonna see if I can get a turkey hunt video up this upcoming Monday and see if I can kill myself a turkey and get that on video for y'all. Thanks for liking, leave a thumbs up. Peace.